Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is masala chips, or masala fries if you're American, the dry version as in no sauce. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below, or they're on screen now. A little off-topic advice. Don't eat the last chocolate knob in the house, save it for your wife, otherwise your love life will be as cold as a penguin's nose. Anyway, on with the cooking. My preference is to leave the skin on the potatoes when I make chips. My wife doesn't like it like that. So peel your potatoes or else. After they're peeled and chipped, put in a pan of salted water, bring up to the boil and allow to simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. You just want to parboil them, not cook them all the way through. Then drain well, place on an oven-proof dish, liberally coat with oil, and it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Then when the chips are 10 minutes from being finished, it's time to get on with the masala bit. And to do this, heat some oil in a frying pan and add the onions and peppers and saute off for a minute or two. Then when the onions and peppers have softened nicely, it's time to add in the garlic, ginger and chillies. And again, mix through well. Fry this mixture off for a further 2 or 3 minutes and it's time to add the spices. And they are chatt masala, paprika, salt and pepper. You could add some chopped spring onions and some chilli flakes if you want. And by this time the chips should be ready. Simply remove from the oven and spoon into the pepper and onion mixture. Thoroughly mix together and you're ready to serve. This is a very easy and tasty recipe and we hope you give it a go sometime. As normal, feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll hopefully see you on the next one. Bye for now. I've got to go now to get some chocolate hot knobs.